In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create clickable images. So images that people can click on and be landed on another page. So let's get started. So I just bring my admin panel and pages. Of course, we want to create a new page. And I'm just going to call it image links. So I'm on Gutenberg and I'm first going to show you how you can do it on Gutenberg, but then we are going to do it on Elementor, and it's really similar. So first you create an image. So I just have it here and let's just choose one. So I have my image here and we have a box here with the tag link. So you can put your link in here. So if we want to just link to the base URL of our website, I can just copy it and paste it here. And we have one option here which has two properties, self or blank. So if it's set to blank, then it will open in a new tab. So whenever the user clicks on the image, then it will open in a new tab. But if you set it into self, then it will not, it will just change the current tab. So we will just set it to blank first, and if I just publish it and view it in a new tab, of course if I click here, it will open the home page but in another tab. If I set it to self, then it will not. And if I just visit my page to confirm, you can see that it's just going to change the current tab. You can achieve the same result in Elementor and actually any page builder. So if I just remove this image and start editing it with Elementor, and if I just put an image here, so let's just select the same image. So now we have the options for links here. You can just select custom URL and put your URL there. And we have the option also here. So if you select open a new window, again, it will open a new window like what we had. But if we do not select it, it will not open a new window and it will override the current tab or window. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. And like always, you can reach our team from the link in the description.